Hi gang, it's Caroline here today and I'm going to show you how to make this cute little Christmas card using Lawn Fawn There's No One Like You stamp set. First up is to stamp and colour in the cute little bear and rabbit. I'm using Promarker pens for this project. For the rabbit face and body I'm using Ivory and Satin, and for the bear I'm using Dusky pink and coral for the shadowing and a pale pink to create some rosy little cheeks. For the hat and scarf I'm using cool aqua and sky blue to shadow, and on the rabbit canary and sunflower colours. I add some grey for some additional shadowing to the bear and rabbit. For the sleigh I'm using tan and some henna to highlight. I like to add a shadow colour for the outline. I'm using tea green colour for that. Here's the stamp cut out ready for the card. I'm using a 4x4 inch card blank and I found some blue coordinating papers from my craft stash. I'm going to use the Lawn Fawn reversed stitched scalloped circle die and a cloud die to make some snow hills. I re-stamped the sentiment onto blue card. I've cut the die in the middle of the foreground paper. I want the trees in the background, so I'm working out which section of paper I should cut. For the snow hills, I'm using a slightly embossed polka dot card and I'll use the cloud die to create a layered effect. I've positioned all the pieces of card into place so I know where I need to trim things up before I glue them together. And for this project, I'm using Nouveau Deluxe adhesive glue to stick it all down. Now that I've stuck the background into place, it's time to position the stamp and sentiment. To me, I thought the sentiment didn't look quite right in that corner, so I decided this would look better in the middle instead. To add some final touches, I grabbed some pearl sticky gems and started to randomly arrange them on the card to make it look like snow. And here you have it, the finished article. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching and look forward to seeing you at the next demo.